Hi, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome to Chris's Workshop. Today we're going to talk about how to tell the difference between inset and overlay cabinet doors. Cabinet doors come in a couple of different varieties. A door can be what's called an overlay door, or a door can be inset. As the words are sort of descriptive, overlay, the door rests on the outside of the face frame cabinet, whereas in an inset, the door is actually inside the face frame and there's nothing on the top surface. Here's a little cabinet mock-up to illustrate what we're talking about. Here's the side of your cabinet, here's the face frame, and here's the door. And which one is this? You guessed it, this is a full overlay door. It rests on the face frame. It would just swing open like that. And when it's closed, it comes to rest against the face frame. An inset door would be smaller, but not quite this small. But it would rest inside the face frame. It would have to be cut precisely to leave a nice even reveal all the way around. And again, it swings open and closes inside the face frame. They probably would add a door stop or something on the inside. It's a little trickier to build an inset door. Your tolerances are tighter, but it's a nice clean look, and some people think it's worth the effort. My name is Chris Palmer. That's the difference between inset and overlay doors.